Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Android Studio in Photo. Now let's go into first my video in which we created a video view in Android Studio. So we have two activities, like first is main activity and other is main activity XML file and Java files. So first we take work on XML file. So first we change this constant layout into relative layout. You use anything relative layout, relative, linear, any layout, but who uses this. So first of all we change this. Okay, now let's more created. Okay, now we take values of relative layout video view. First of all, who uses in XML file, who uses a first frame layout. Frame layout is basically consists of Android width like match parents, who uses its match parent and also as a wrap content, and also bottom as a parent and left right parents and top parents. This is a frame set according to view your video in your screen. So this is a frame set. Now we set attributes like video view has a basically property in video views to use. So we first assign video view. This is ID of video view. Okay, match parent wrap content. So first of all we created a project and created a raw file. So first of all go into resources. After go into resources, click here layout. Okay, click resources, right click on this and go into add resources directory. After clicking this, change this value into raw values. Okay, and now you see here raw values. So first you go into your any desktop. I write here some videos about Android list view. Okay, this is a video. So we copy this and come back to this, and we just take right click and paste here and okay. So we here name listview.mp4. okay, this is the ID in which our video will be stored. Okay, so now we go to next, close this. So our XML file will be ready. Now we go to into Java files. First of all, setting to Java. Okay, now we use here a command VideoView. So first of all we use it as a VideoView dot find view by ID according to video. This video view is related to ID of an in XML file. Okay, so next we assigns this value into according to project values. So we uses as a string video path equal to Android resource plus get package name up to so on. So go into project and list value. So we change just value here, like I write here list value list view. Okay, this is a correct. Now we take next step. Now we assign here its path URL. So we write as URI equal to URI phrase video path. According to path its direction should be assigned. Okay, so next step is that we should be write video media control ho gaya. Oh, I'm so next we uses has the value like video view dot set video URI. Okay, this value is assigned to this place. So next now we use has a media controller, video increase up or down up to so on. So we uses has here media controller equal to new media controller this. And now next After this we just a media controller, we use the value of VideoView dot set media controller media control dot set view dot VideoView. In this way your video set in this player and this all automatically will play. This help to up and down the videos controls. So hopefully all values are clear. Now we check this and run this application in your Android phone or emulator. So run this. Hopefully this is launch. Just wait. Now you see here they're launching his app. Okay, now we go to phone and check this app how to work. This is properly running, so go into phone and check this. Now this video view we created is also running on your phone, and now test this video how this works. So after clicking on this video, you will show their controllers like
it has like tough colors.
So in this way you easily create any type of videos like increases, decreases, next video up to so on. Hopefully you find the best videos. So like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos.